Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you on how to restore your phone book contact from Gmail to your phone internal storage. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are following into this channel, remember to click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorials like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you need to do is head over to your phone book contact. So I'm going to click on my phone book contact right here. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply click on the setting icon. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply click on import or export contacts. Then the next thing you need to do is to select your Google account or your Gmail. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply click on phone contacts. Then all the contacts on your Gmail is going to be pumped up. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on here to select all. Then I have about 2,000 plus contacts right here. Having select all, click on OK, and all the contacts from your Gmail account will be fully restored back to your phone internal storage. It's as simple as that. So this is how to simply restore your phone contact from Gmail or your Google account to your internal phone storage without any stress. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.